course.
Next. What is happening with the ball? When you squish, what happens?
Change the shape.
Yes, shape. So what's the football goalkeeper do for a football?
Force can make objects stop.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, that's right. So now roller coaster, what will happen in a roller coaster? You go in a what?
Force can make objects change their state.
What's happening? Roller coaster starts with very low speed and they increase, no?
Yeah.
So it's changing the speed. Yeah. Aisha, hope you enjoyed the class today. What do you think the class was?
Good.
Interesting? Do you find it interesting? You're on mute, Aisha. Please unmute yourself and speak.
Ma'am, you will only teach me or somebody else?
If you want me, I can teach you. Do you like my class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, very good.
all the subjects.
All the subjects? What are the subjects you're looking for?
Ma'am, for science and maths.
Yeah, that would be better. You focus on science and maths now. Once the school reopens, you can work on other subjects as well. Okay? Okay, Aisha, you want me to do the math session as well? One?
I wish you can.
No, right now only, or we can just start off the classes and do maths and science. No problem, no? It is a demo session so that we can talk and converse and try to understand whether you are understanding my language, my teaching style, or you want any changes and all that. So, you're confident with maths also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me a simple topic we can discuss for 5-10 minutes. Maths.
Ma'am, we only decide.
I only decide. Okay. Polynomials? Algebra? No. No. Okay, fractions. Okay. Okay, what do you know about fractions, Aisha? How fractions are made? Unmute.
By using denominators and
Numerators.
numerators.
So see, when you're representing a whole number, you count. Okay, when you say 5 apples, it's a whole number. There is 5, quantity 5. When you say 10 apple, 10 mango, there is 10 number. Okay, so whole number is a whole quantity. Whole quantity. What is fraction? Fraction is not a whole quantity. Fraction is part of a quantity. Okay, for example, you had 5 apples, among that you ate 2. Okay, so the denominator is the total number of apples you had, that is 5, and the part of it which you ate comes on the numerator, which is 2. Okay, always remember fraction is part of a whole. What is fraction?
The whole.
As the sentence comes, part comes on the numerator, wholes comes on the denominator. Okay, part of a whole. It's easy to remember, right? Which goes on the numerator, which comes on the denominator, no confusion. Follow the definition. Part comes on the top, whole comes on the denominator. What is whole? Whole is total number. Okay, for example, your pizza had 5 slices. Okay, you ate 2 slices and your younger brother ate 3 slices. Now, what is the fraction for the number of pizza slices you ate?
2.
What it will be? 2 over?
2 by 5. 2 by
Yeah. And for your brother, it will be?
3 by 5.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So fraction is part of a whole. Okay. So we have so many different varieties of fraction. Mixed fraction, when a fraction comes with an extra attachment. Okay, like the guests say we are only 2 members coming, but when they arrive there is so many people coming, like that the whole fraction comes along with the whole number. That is mixed fraction. Okay, 3 1 by 4, 5 1 by 6, like that. There is a fraction also, there is a whole number also, that becomes mixed.
Yes.
Okay, now proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, what we know about fraction?